Hey guys, guess where we are? Disney's Pop Century Resort. I'm gonna go check in and head to Animal Kingdom. Yippee, yippee, yippee. There it is. Disney. I got a ham and cheese omelet and nothing for potatoes it looks like. So yay. That's what it looks like. It looks delicious. Can't wait. So the omelet was amazing. It was good. It was done. It was ready for me. Cost $8.99. I got, you know, you saw the picture. I got the actual omelet, ham and cheese omelet, and I also got the potatoes with it. The potatoes are actually pretty good. I'm kind of meandering all over the place. So off to Animal Kingdom we go. Look at that view. I love that. So so different. I'm in the park. I love the look of this. Oh, look at that. I don't know if you guys caught that. Beautiful.
No. I said no.
What a beautiful bird. I love them. This is the tree of life. Oh. Pandora. Last time we were here, it was the past holo preview. Oh, look at that, that's the thing. Look at that. This is amazing. Still beautiful. I just want to walk through here. 45-minute wait time for Navi. Not bad. Okay. You know, I never noticed how weird that was. And that's weird. This is the standby line for flight of passage. This is an exit, the back exit to Pandora. This is kind of nice. This is backed by Festival of the Festival of the Lion King. This exit. This is beautiful look. Tree of Life. Yay. So we got fast pass for a dinosaur, so we can go do that. Love. That's been cool.
Heck of a paleontologist, if I do say so myself. But let's not talk about me, let's talk about you, and how you can help me make history today with the Time Rover. It's like this. If I can bring you back from the Cretaceous period, it stands to reason that I can bring back a live dinosaur with you. And not just any dinosaur. Take a look at this guy. He's an iguanodon, and I'm certain that he is the key to understanding these magnificent creatures. I tagged him with a locator during an unauthorized field trip. Otherwise, I'd be traveling with you. Right now, our dino should be about here, at the very end of the Cretaceous period. That's where you're going today.
I've arrived, it seems, just in time to correct a little misstatement.
Dr. Marsh.
That is impossibly close to the giant asteroid impact that destroyed most life forms on Earth. Our tours are designed to take you to the early Cretaceous period, and I can assure you that all time rovers have been securely locked on those coordinates.
That's right. See? Securely locked. Access denied.
Continue.
Of course. We were just talking about seatbelts. Plug them in. Use them. It can get kind of choppy out there, so keep your hands and arms inside the vehicle at all times. Flash photography? I wouldn't. It alters the homing signal, and that's not good. Oh, and one more thing. Those locked coordinates? We're in. Now, here's the drill. You follow the homing signal to the iguanodon. Then I'll enlarge the transport field, and boom, you're back with one additional passenger extra large. And don't worry about that asteroid. You'll be in and out of there before it even breaks the atmosphere. Trust me, what could go wrong? Hey, it's me again.
This is Criminal World. I just got done with dinosaur. That was fun. They may do that again. So, yay. Now I'm walking to Dino Land. Not a true street. This might be a dead end. Oh, look at that. That's cool. So, these flower planters are made out of old license plates. Do you see that?
Yeah.
So, huh?
Are you all set?
This Everest. Look how cool that looks. The jungle trek. Should we be scared? Yeah, I don't think so. I don't think so. It might rain today. Hey, if it does, the umbrella will go up. Hey, what's in here? Sorry if the footage is shaky. I'm trying to keep it as still as possible. But it's kind of hard when you're walking. That's a skeleton of a bat, it looks like. Hang in here. Really? Down there. So full of tigers first. Although tigers are present in the forest, you will be very safe by walking on the wild level path. Look at the theming now. This is what I like about Disney. That's the mama and one of the cubs.
There's a baby in Maddie. Yeah.
Yeah, one of the babies came over here.
But Maddie grooms us that way.
Sometimes you try. You can't groom them like this.
She's a paw patroller.
Do they stay in this area or is there like a tunnel to the other part?
You can come over here. You're happy.
Maybe they just live in the same area if there's like antelope or whatever?
Baby.
Yeah, that's everything in that photo. Over there. Yeah, I see one. Yeah.
Ooh.
Sometimes, right? Sometimes they're quite nice.
Yeah. So they aren't tag predators. That means they're really not evolutionarily keen on children. So it's natural for them to be a little bit more possessive over food.
I think them and Maddie a little bit evolutionary behind that one.
Well, if you're a tiger, that's okay, because tigers are awesome. But they're smart, you know, they know when to let each other be and when to... And a lot of their play, and then we switch them out. Yeah, tigers are solitary. Pardon?
He'd heard the cubs, right?
In theory, we don't know that for a fact, but it would be natural behavior for him to want to breed. So
Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah. Anyone have any other questions about our tigers? Oh, good and all of that
90 pounds
Okay.
they weigh.
I think we're planning on throwing them a little party when they make 100 pounds. That's exciting. It's crazy how fast they gain all this weight. They're so awkward for so long. You know why tigers. Take amazing care of
These guys don't get any attention. There's mama and a baby right there. Oh, they're coming close. By the big cats. That's so cute. This is the bird area.
Look, there's one people up there.
There's one up there.
Make a bar cake.
Oh, look, there's one with the butterfly in there. They're eating. There's a nest up there. There's a bird in a nest.
Now we're seeing the up show. So I just saw the up show. It's pretty good. I'll have it linked in the description below as I'm going to upload it as a separate video. It really is good. I thought maybe it was a little less birds, but it was fun. I really enjoyed it. It was a nice new show.